One thing I'm quite impressed about this place, it's a great campus, full of serenity. And when I see the students here, when they move around the campus, I can see tremendous amount of passion, tremendous amount of confidence in them, tremendous amount of desire to learn, and their agility to learn. It reminds me a very old tradition of Gurukula, where the gurus used to teach the great warriors. And so here I see that kind of environment. So I am quite impressed by this kind of campus. I never imagined that you have got such a beautiful campus and great infrastructure. One thing about when I interacted with the students, I could see tremendous amount of seriousness on their part. And seriousness to pursue the life, to pursue the goal, to pursue the vision, and to pursue the mission is the first step to become a good leader. That is one thing. The second thing which I could see when they were asking questions, very inquisitive mind. And I could also see the originality of minds when they were really asking questions. And third one, they were asking questions in terms of building learnability, capability, you know that. That was another thing that actually impressed me quite a lot. And I think that it was a good interaction. I enjoyed talking to them and interacting with them. And so the entire panel members know that. So that is it. Today academic council meeting, where I could see the vice chairman Mr. Murthy, and I could see Amit, the dean. So I could see tremendous amount of passion in the vice chairman and the dean of the school to build a global school of global standard, you know that. That's another kind of thing. I could see chairman is a man with tremendous amount of nobility along with humility, you know that. And I find that more we grow, you should be more humane, and we should develop the culture of humility. So I could see tremendous amount of culture of humility. And I could also see the man has got a great dream to make this school, he is serious about that, to make this school as a globally well-known school. Another thing which I liked about him, that since he has got the experience of the Western world, he is capable of integrating the Western models and the Eastern models. And I'm very sure that this would be a very unique kind of product, and down the line, decade, this will be quoted as the model of courses and the model of management education.